Silver against US dollar this week has risen in value and the price formed a bullish breakout on a Tuesday. Above 32.47 the price has reached the next resistance level which was the target at 33.11. After that, we can see on a Friday the price was turning back down all the way to the first support level at 32.47. Weekly time frame shows us a bullish candle. It is continuation of the previous several weeks as a bullish, and we can see the price could not make a bullish breakout above the top of the previous week, but the price formed a bullish candle, which is indicating a bullish strength on the market. Monthly time frame shows us probably again a bullish, because we have several weeks as a bullish close, and we can see the price is targeting here the price level at 32.64 a resistance level. So currently we have 1.5 weeks until this month closes. So currently as it looks, it could be, and it is high probability that the price will close as a bullish, and I can see that there is high probability that the price will try to make a bullish breakout here, continue to rise its value going to 234.18. Now on the daily time frame, we can see that 30.11 is the next resistance that needs to be broken, and currently the price at the support level. So for now on the Monday, I'm waiting to see how the price will behave and how the price will open at this support level. Will the price bounce back up, targeting to make a bullish breakout here, or it will form a bearish breakout indicating further decline in value? This is something that I will pay attention closely on the Monday on the 4-hour time frame, where I'm sharing these details with the traders inside the premium analysis. Several of these bullish breakouts with the targets has been shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, so you can also join and receive these updates, so you can also be profitable with these targets when the breakout happens. So 1-hour time frame and also 4-hour time frame are the levels I'm sharing with the traders inside the premium analysis, so they are informed on time when the bullish or bearish breakout happens with the potential target. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.